Right.
He's such a sod.
I know.
Do you want it above the knee or below the knee?
Dad! Careful you don't sneeze again.
God, stop it, you bloody wombat!
Do it, Dad!
Martin!
There.
Thanks.
Idiots!
Great. Can we all sit down now, please?
Skill.
Johnny! They're animals!
Yep.
Gibbons.
Just so you know, Buggy is going to get majorly shitted up tonight. Oh, just so you know. Good luck finding him.
Yeah, and just so you know, shut up now.
Adam, pass me the chicken, would you? Sorry, the squirrel. Ah!
Martin!
Classic.
Oh, sorry, my darling.
Please go and cut your nose off.
What?
Here.
Oh!
Dad, not the chicken. Again? Jesus!
Martin, will you please stop sneezing on everything?
Excuse me.
It's disgusting. Now we can't have any of the chicken.
Oh, don't be so silly.
Or potatoes.
Dad! Oh, stop being such fusspots, it's fine.
It's not fine.
Boys, it's all right. It's okay.
Mum, this food is now inedible. Exactly.
Oh, not to me, it isn't. Maybe I should just keep spreading my germs all over the place and scoff the lot.
Good idea. Why don't you go and defecate on the crumble?
Lovely, Adam.
We'll have to get a takeaway.
A takeaway? It's Friday night. We'll eat what I've made you, thank you very much.
So we'll just have beans for dinner then, shall we? Yeah, just beans.
Bless you.